If your exit lag isn't leveling up your game, you deserve your gold back. Don't stress. Refunds are easy if you know the rules. Here's how to do it, fast. Alright, first things first. To get a refund on Exitlag, you've got a 7-day window after your very first purchase. Automatic renewals? Sadly, those aren't eligible, so act quick. Also, keep in mind, if you paid with crypto, SBP Russo, Perfect Money, or P2P card, refunds aren't possible due to platform rules. Ready to go? Log into your Exitlag account and hit up their support team. The easiest way is through live chat on their site, or you can submit a new support ticket. Make sure to clearly ask for a refund and include your purchase date and payment details. Got technical issues? Attach screenshots, just in case. Sit tight, support will review your request and get back to you. And remember, canceling your subscription only stops future charges. It doesn't refund past ones.